Alright everybody, it's Big Al. I've got something really special. I know I keep saying that, but this one really is special. The thing is this, it's a, what are they called? A Schlage Everest. It does have that, what do you call it, that check pin or something in the bottom there. This one here has been kicking my butt trying to get it picked on camera. It is pinned by Bill Bacardi. Yeah, there's your first clue. It's apparently a number 14, which is one of his very early ones. Just says use a shim down there. Yeah, make sure to use a shim. But I'm telling you, man, you see this? Yeah. I mean, it's been just killing me. And as you can see, I finally just got it open, so I'm gonna attempt. It's gonna kill me to lock it back up, but I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try to do it again on camera, because I gotta tell you, man, this thing is, it's been my nemesis. So yeah, I've got this little dude I made for the for that little I don't know what they're called, the little pin that the key kicks up. There's a little groove on the side of the key on these Everest that needs to be kicked up, and that's what this does, if you don't know. So I would be using that in the bottom there. I guess I can show the key works real quick. Again, there's the bitting on it. Bada boom, bada bing. It does work like butter. I mean, Bill Bacardi made it, so I mean, it's perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so let's see if we can't do this on camera. Yeah. All right. That in the top there. It's just been, oh man, just I've opened it, what, I think only once, maybe twice, but trying to get it on camera has just can't seem to do it. A little click on 2 there. And I think trying for 5. I noticed though, okay, there's a little baby false set. I noticed that when I finally got it open, I was just teasing the pins. I backed way off. I was just going really slow and just teasing them into place, man, and it slowly went. So I'm going to try my hardest to do that again. I'm not going to try to rush it. I mean, if it's a long pick, it's a long pick. It's a hell of a lock. And anybody that knows, anybody that's picked a really good lock, well, unless you're a real good picker like the lock picking lawyer or something, he'd probably pick this thing up and give it the slap down real quick, but I don't have the skills he has. Maybe someday. But yeah, it's a lock worthy of some time. I promise you that. Getting to the point where I was just gonna, just not pick it and just send it back out, but picked it back up, and okay, that 5th one I'm getting a little bit of action on. I want to say 5th one, it might be 6. Let me see. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. See, if you toy with them, get a little bit more and a little bit more. I mean, that's what works, so that's what I'm going to try again. I'm just going to tease them. Take a little counter right there. Okay. That was right here. I'm going to play with it. Okay, got a little baby click there. Nice. Like I said, I'm just gonna tease them. If you get in a big hurry on this, well, I should speak for myself, because like I said, I don't have the experience a lot of pickers do. If I hurry up on this, it's game over real quick. Okay, still got that baby false set. Okay, now I'm in a deeper false set. Okay, now I'm getting somewhere. You see how if you go nice and slow and just tease them, don't jab a pick in there and get at it. That's not what this lock is about. Now I'm going to feel around, because now I'm getting like amped out on it because I got a false set, but that's where I was screwing up. Try to slow her down. Slow my blood pressure down a little bit. Okay, coming back up front. Okay, now I'm gonna, okay, there we go, a little bit more of a click. Now I'm gonna try this deeper hook. I think this is the one nope, this isn't the one I used. It was this one, the SS Dev hook in the back. Try to go back there, if I can find it again, because I had to get 6. I think it was 6. I'm not feeling it. Alright, we'll come back out, check the others. Bam, there it is. You see that? Golly, I can't tell you how many flipping times that I've tried this and could not pick it. Just couldn't do it. I kept just overdoing it. I kept oversetting something. Oh, this is freaking awesome. Okay, back out a little bit. Now we gotta carefully, because it says very clearly to use a shim, so I'm sure we need to be very, very careful opening this. So let's see, let's get. That wasn't bad. What are we in at? 7 minutes. Okay. Set that over there and keep that in frame. I do not want to lose this one. I am not giving this one up, I'll tell you that much. Alright. Camera about right there. My new badass pinning tray for Bobby Keys. Thanks again, Bobby. Looks good right there. Okay. So, yeah. That's open, man. Very much. Cool. I do have a key, so I'm going to lock it back up. Get this back off. Yeah, I'm literally like vibrating right now. I tried this thing so many times. I even texted Bill Bacardi. I was like, dude, I cannot open that lock of yours. And you know, as cool as Bill is, he's like, oh man, don't worry about it, you'll get it. Well, he didn't say that, he texted that, of course, but you know, don't worry about it, you'll get it, bud. He had more confidence in me than I did myself. Okay. Yeah, this is all funky to me, so I don't know what's up with all this extra mumbo jumbo here. Oh boy. Let's get this in there. Shim. If that's in there good or not. I don't think that's going in straight. Okay, let me rotate this. Yeah, hope this doesn't screw me all up here. Let's get that in. Maybe we can rotate it into place. Oh man. This cannot happen right now. Maybe go on this side. Let's go in here. Rotate it around. Okay, this is a mess, man. Shit. This thing's getting caught up in there like you wouldn't believe, man. This is a freaking mess. Oh, man. If I lose this because I can't freaking get it apart, this is upsetting. Oh, dear God. We're gonna go for it. Okay. We'll see what happens here. Alright, we got it. Jesus. Alright, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the heck? That little guy in the back is kind of... I don't know what's up with that. Okay, there with that little, what is it, like check pin thing I was telling you about? Well, that key, what happened to the... There's the spring for it. Okay, we got it. Calm down, Al. Alright. Yeah, I'm just still vibrating from getting it open. Alright, let's get some pins out here. Okay, it is. It's a really funky, different size. That one that was in the back there, number 6, it's a different, is that upside down? It goes that way. It goes this way. Okay. Yeah, that, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. What the heck? Did I even have to pick that? I don't know what that's about. So let's check out the core. We've got threading in 1. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Okay, yeah, threading in 1, 2, 4, and 6. Yeah, threading in 1, 2, 4, and 6 on the core. Alright. And going up top. Here we go. Unbelievable, I got that son of a gun open. Okay, yeah. Big time. T-pinning right away. Number 1. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Another in number 2. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Yeah, I was, I guess all my other attempts, I was just getting at it too much, man. And when I found out, when I backed off, okay, we got like a, I'd say, serrated type deal there at number 3. We'll get a close-up on them as soon as we get them laid out, as usual. Number 4. Another like serrated type. Looks like those, were they like barrel or assa? I don't know what they're called. They do look familiar though. They almost look, what do you call it? Another one. Kind of looks the same. And a little spring. And number... Oh, it'll come up. There it is. Another, what, T-pin? Spring. And I don't know. Okay, yeah, so that little... I guess that pin... Okay, yeah, see, I'm going to have to look. I guess that pin goes in there. That probably has something to do with that last 7th pin. Yeah, okay. So it probably goes into that part. I'm going to have to look how that goes back together because I have no clue at the moment. Yeah. No clue. What's in here? Anything? No, you really couldn't, could you? Alright, nothing done up there. No mods. Not that I can tell in the Bible. Golly. I'm still freaking shaking. It's shaking and I got it open. Okay. That again. Okay, it all goes up front. Golly. Beautiful. Just freaking beautiful. Alright, light. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, again, that was Bill Bacardi's number 14. Awesome. Just awesome. A Schlage Everest modified to the hilts. Let's see. Looks good. Good enough. Some light back there. Okay, we've got a, I guess we can call it just a serrated, single serration or something in the top of number 1. It looks lightly serrated on number 2. 3, same thing. It's got a couple of light serration and then one right here at the top to make a sharp top. 4 is a standard. 5 is almost spool-like. 6 is a standard. Top pins, we've got a T-pin in 1, T-pin in 2. We got these like barrel, I think they're called, or something. ASA pins or barrel pins in number 3, 4, and 5, and then another T-pin in number 6. And the springs do vary. It looks like there's some obviously short and long ones, but it also looks like steel and some copper or brass, whatever they make them out of. But I got it, man. I finally got it. Alright, Bill Bacardi's number 14. Thank you, Bill Bacardi, so much for making this lock and getting it out there. And thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing off.